Designing user interfaces and user experiences is a complex process that requires a lot of planning and creativity. Fortunately, there are a number of software programs out there that can help simplify the process and make it more efficient. In this video, we will explore some of the best software for UI/UX design. From wireframing to prototyping and more, we'll cover everything you need to know to create beautiful and effective designs. What is UI/UX design? UI/UX design is the process of designing user interfaces and user experiences for software products. It involves creating prototypes, usability testing, and creating detailed specifications for the development team. The goal of UI/UX design is to create a product that is easy to use and provides a great user experience. A well-designed UI/UX can make the difference between a successful product and one that fails. First things first, UX and UI design are two different elements of a single consumer experience. UX refers to the user experience, which focuses on how something works and how people interact with it. UI, or user interface, focuses on the look and layout. Think of UX as the way a car drives, shifts gears or protects you in an accident, and UI as the color and design of that car, says Matthew Cogswell, Senior Art Director, and UX/UI Designer at Modop, a digital advertising and marketing agency in Los Angeles. A UX designer ensures a product makes sense to the user by creating a path that logically flows from one step to the next. A UI designer ensures each page visually communicates that path. What are the key differences between UI and UX design? UI and UX design have often been used as interchangeable terms. While the end product requires considerable input from both design methodologies, the process of designing UI and UX is very different. UX design mostly deals with the user's entire journey to solve a problem. Here are the main differences between UI and UX design. Main focus. The main focus of UI designers is to deal with the quality and visuals of the end product, and use hi-fi models as prototypes. UX designers focus more on the purpose and functionality of the end product and care more about logic. Additionally, UI designers deal with the technicalities of the product design, while UX designers focus more on project management and analysis of the project. Use of color. UI designers design prototypes in full color while UX designers do so in black, white, or gray. UI designers use tools like Sketch, Flinto, Principle, and InVision for collaborative image designing. UX designers use wireframe-based prototyping tools like Mockplus. Artistic component. UI designers have to include an artistic component in their design since it is related to what the end user sees, hears, and feels. UX design has more of a social component, as it needs to understand what a user wants to experience in the end product. The different software for UI/UX design. There are much different software out there that can be used for UI/UX design. Here is a list of some of the most popular ones. Adobe Photoshop and XD. Photoshop is a widely used program for crafting layouts, wireframes, and high-fidelity prototypes. Sketch is a vector drawing and animation software that is growing in popularity for its user-friendly interface and wide range of features. InVision is a cloud-based prototyping tool that allows you to quickly create interactive mock-ups of your designs. Balsamiq is a low-fidelity wireframing tool that is known for its ease of use and simple interface. Figma is a cloud-based prototyping tool used to create wireframes and interfaces. Designing software applications is a complex process that requires a deep understanding of both the technical aspects of application development and the user experience. While there are many different software applications available to help with this process, we believe that these 5 are the best for UI/UX designers. Each of these software has its own unique set of features and benefits, so be sure to try out each one to see which works best